Hello, my name is Nina and this is my channel A Norwegian in Norway. On this channel you will tag along with me on everything Norwegian. I will bake, cook, be out in nature, be at my cabin, show you nature, customs, culture, genealogy. So if you are interested in Norway and want to learn more, this is the channel for you. So hope to see you soon, and if you want to subscribe, push the little bell button. Bye! This is a Kneipp bread with eggs and crispbread breakfast. Kneipp bread is the most eaten bread in Norway. It's actually a German invention from some health dude in Germany, in Bayern, called Kneipp, who thought that Kneipp bread and cold water would cure everything. So some Norwegian dude took it to Norway and started making them here. Norway is actually the country in Norway or in Europe that eats most bread per person. So I accompanied the Kneipp bread with margarine and one boiled egg. I didn't bother to use my egg cutters, I just used my knife, and I also have one thick slice of sport crisp bread with my brown cheese on the side. And for this breakfast I actually drink Pepsi Max. And I have some vitamins on the side. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it and want to like, share and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Bye!